Hey everybody, Prime Day is upon us, so the deals are coming. We've got some specials happening right now with Litime. A lot of these batteries I have tested in past videos. Check it out. We've got a 100 amp hour mini trolling motor battery with low temp charging protection and Bluetooth for under $255. We got a 24 volt 100 amp with Bluetooth for under $400. If you've been around for a while, you know I'm a big fan of 24 volts, so here's a great way to get in and get started. The 12 volt flat wall mounted battery, which is new and a really cool, very unique product, is under 400 bucks. If you want to get into something bigger, we've got 12 volt 280 amp hour with low temp charging protection and Bluetooth for 580 bucks. If you want to go even bigger, we've got a 12 volt 560 amp hour with Bluetooth for 1400, or a 24 volt 280 amp hour that's for 1500 bucks. My favorite all-in-one 24 volt inverter charger MPPT is also under 600 bucks. So check out the links down below. I've got some additional discount codes that they're giving to me special for Prime Day. So if you're looking to get into some cool batteries from Litime, now is a great time to take a look and see what works for you. Thanks everyone. We'll catch you on the next one.